In this video, I will show three things. I will show the command offset, then I'll show trim, and I'll show expand. I'm going to first start off by just drawing a circle randomly over here. Maybe I'll pick a size. I'll just type 10. Okay, we'll draw a line so we can zoom out so we can see it. We'll draw a line over here. Make that as well, maybe 12. Maybe I'll draw another line over here, make it 20. I'll go up, I'll just create a rectangle maybe. Put one up here, make it 12 again, and I'll just click on the box and I've drawn a rectangle. Now I'm going to show you the offset command. So over here, we'll find it. Right over here is the offset command. It looks like this, so I'll just go around with the mouse. Right in the corner of the modify is offset. So you click on the command, and then it tells you at the bottom here, so if you read at the bottom, specify offset distance. So I'll specify 2. I'll go 2, enter. It says it right there, 2. Right on the screen. Specify offset is 2, enter. I click on the circle, and then I can click out. It makes another circle that's 2 bigger. I click on the circle, and I click out. It makes another circle that's bigger. I click on the inside circle, I can click in. Similarly over here with my rectangle, I can click on that line, and I can go down. I can click on it again, and go down. Or I can take the line here, and I can click up. I can take another line here, click up. Even take another line and click up. And then I can also do it this way if I wanted to, like this. Okay, or I can go the other way. Here, or I can go the other way. Okay, and I can continue doing this, and I can make a number of lines using the offset. Now, if I want to change the distance while I'm in the command, I can type 1, and I can make a smaller distance. So I can pick the line I want to offset, I go in the direction I want, and I can pick like a length. I can make the next one 3. So it offsets from here to here by 3. Maybe I can go this way, I can make this one by 1 again. And I just pick the direction, and then it does this another line. So if I want this line, and I want to offset this line, I can go down. Let's say I want to go down 10, I go 10, and it produces a second line, which is 10 bigger down here. Similar with the circle, I can just click on the circle and go out here and hit 7. Just made that circle 7 bigger on the outside. Made the radius 7 bigger. Okay, that's the first command. The next command I want to show you is right here. It's called the trim command. So it's right up in the corner, trim. So what I like to do is I like to hit the trim command, which is here. Then I like to hit enter after. And then I just go and I can start cutting things out. See, it trims or cuts pieces out. So I can cut that out. I can cut this. I can cut in here. I can cut that. I can cut, and I just trim. I can also do it with a box. I can click here. I can cut all this stuff out with a box, or I can cut all the inside stuff out with a box. So I can just click here, create a green box, go all the way up, and cut all that stuff. If I want, I can cut that little line. Okay, that's known as the trim command. Okay, and to get out of it, you hit escape when you finish. The next command I want to show you is called the extend command. It works opposite of the trim. So first you hit extend, and then it says select objects. Okay, I could. Or I can just hit enter, and it'll select all the objects to extend to. And then I click, and it'll just extend to the nearest line. Okay, so I can extend it this way, or I can extend it the other way. So again, to use the extend command, you click on it, you click here with the arrow, you pick the extend, okay, you click enter, and then you click the lines you want to extend. So if I want to extend that one, or I want to make that one longer that way, or that one longer, or I want to extend that down to the bottom, see it extends it down to the bottom, or look, I can even extend it all the way to the circle here. Again, the trim the other way around, so I click here, I go to the trim command, I click enter after I pick the command, just hit enter, and then I can start cutting objects or cutting pieces like here and here. Now if you can't trim something, you can always use the erase command after, and you can always erase what you can't trim. Okay, and that's it for the offset, trim, and extend commands.